Banana shake is a delicious and creamy beverage made with ripe bananas and milk. This simple yet nutritious drink is a favorite among both children and adults due to its delightful taste and numerous health benefits. To prepare a banana shake, we start by selecting ripe and sweet bananas. The bananas are peeled and cut into chunks for easy blending. Next, the banana chunks are added to a blender along with chilled milk. The milk can be regular milk, almond milk, or any other milk of your preference. To enhance the flavor, a dash of vanilla extract may be added. For an extra touch of creaminess and sweetness, a spoonful of yogurt or honey can be included. This addition not only improves the texture but also provides a subtle tang and richness to the shake. Once all the ingredients are in the blender, they are blended until smooth and creamy. The blending process ensures that the banana is well incorporated with the milk, creating a luscious and velvety texture. Banana shakes are highly versatile and can be customized to suit individual preferences. For a nutritional boost, you can add a scoop of protein powder, a handful of nuts, or a spoonful of peanut butter. For a tropical twist, a few chunks of pineapple or a splash of coconut milk can be included. Banana shakes can be enjoyed as a quick and nutritious breakfast or as a refreshing and energizing snack throughout the day. They are also a great way to use up ripe bananas that might otherwise go to waste. This delightful beverage not only satisfies your taste buds but also provides a good dose of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber from the bananas and milk. It is a great source of natural energy and helps keep you full and satiated. So, indulge in the creamy goodness of a banana shake. Whether you're sipping it in the morning to kickstart your day or enjoying it as a pick-me-up treat, the delightful combination of bananas and milk is sure to bring joy and nourishment to your taste buds and body.